Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go on the lot and I'll show you one of our certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have our 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner. It comes equipped with keyless entry, power side mirrors, deep tinted glass, and much more. Looking for a mid-size pickup truck that can do it all? You should definitely check out the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has 16-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see here, this Tacoma is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps along with daytime running lights, fog lights, tool hooks, and a really nice black grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Tacoma is 4-wheel drive and is estimated the driver receive an impressive 20 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Tacoma only has 30,975 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the cargo lamp and sliding rear window with locking tailgate, along with tow package, bumper step, large LED brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that the Tacoma is very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. In the front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metal-like interior accents. Drivers and passengers will feel very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Tacoma is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and fade-to-off interior lighting. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, cargo lamp, power door locks, and power windows with driver express down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-up steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home for entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD. It's XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You have a large climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this vehicle is Spark certified, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 mile complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by a Toyota certified technician, lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thanks for watching.